The third business idea I want to share with you is mostly for women. Hello woman, if you're still in your house, calling yourself a housewife, saying that there are no jobs you can do, please wake up from your sleep. Wake up. This third business idea is for you. Hello guys, you're welcome to my channel today. This is Tessie here with you, and I welcome you specially to my channel. Today is another beautiful day where I'll be sharing with you another lovely video, and this video is simply about three businesses you can do in the year 2024 with zero capital. If you want to know these businesses and you want to learn how to go about these businesses, please watch this video to the end. Now let's go into the video. The first business idea I would love to share with you is drop shipping. This is one business I can tell you for free that you can go about it in the year 2024 with no money. I mean zero capital. You can start this business and watch how you're able to make more money, make so much money in the year 2024. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is simply a business model where you are able to sell products or items online without owning the items or owning a physical location. By this, it means that you're doing this business without a shop. You're doing it in the comfort of either your home or wherever you go. So it is just like a mobile business. But I would love to tell you that if you want to go into this business, there are basic things you need to consider. You have to consider the niche you want to work on. What do you want to sell? What is your passion? What are you interested about? So you find that and leverage on it. If you're passionate about clothes, you can go into drop shipping clothing. If you're passionate about shoes, you can go into drop shipping shoes, bags, cookwares, and all those. Sometimes it is not about your passion, it is about what is available. If you're able to make sales doing that, then why should you be wasting time when all you're looking for is what will bring money? Please make sure it is legit. So the second thing to consider is to find dropshipping suppliers. That is very important. Not all suppliers or importers are dropshipping suppliers. By this I mean not all suppliers or importers are willing to work with dropshippers. It is a whole lot of work. So some people do not work with them. Please do your due diligence. Find those suppliers that are willing to work with dropshippers in that business you have chosen, then work with them. I would love to add that make sure you're working with suppliers that are truthful, credible, and sincere. If you find these qualities in a supplier, please grab that supplier. You will enjoy working with him or her. After you're done finding your supplier, I will add that you build an active presence on all your social media handles. Remember, in this type of business, you are not using a physical shop. So you need to sell your items. How do you get the people you sell to? You need to build an audience that you can market these products to. And your audience can only be found on your social media handles. So your Facebook page, your Instagram page, your WhatsApp page, and all other social media handles that are important or will be relevant for this type of business is highly recommended. Focus on building your presence there, so people are able to attach a face to these social media handles and build trust before they can start buying from you. Remember, it might take you a little more time before you start selling. People need to trust you enough before committing their money into your hands. When you're done doing the third I have said, which is building active presence on social media, all you need to do now is start selling. begin to post your pictures, begin to post the videos of your items on your social media handles, and people will begin to see them. Then those that want to buy will buy from you. After that, I wouldn't say much about this, but I think it is very important that you find a way to work around your business. It is said that every business has a secret. So find that secret that will help you sell well and work with it. I would love to add that in drop shipping, what you do in that kind of business model is you serve as a middleman or a middlewoman. You stand between the buyer and the supplier. What you do is to find customers who are willing to buy this supplier's item, but the supplier gives you a wholesale price. When that price is given to you, you now decide whatever amount you want to add on that item, so you sell to the buyer. Whatever profit that you want to make on that item, you decide it yourself. If that item is 5,000 naira and what you want to make as profit on that item is 2,000 naira, what you will now tell your buyer is 7,000 naira. Why? Because by the end of this business, the supplier does not give you any money. All you do is make your money yourself. You are to pay a stated amount on the item in the WhatsApp group or whatever medium they use to share those pictures or videos with you. When you do that, you take out your profit and pay the supplier. What I am trying to say here is, whatever gain you want to make in drop shipping, you decide it yourself. Your supplier owes you nothing when you are able to make sales. Take note of that. The second business I love to share with you is affiliate marketing. That is another beautiful business that you can start in the year 2024 and make money from it. You should consider it if it is something you can do. I don't think in this present time that there is scarcity of money, people are shying away from businesses. Please watch this video to the end so you know which type befits you. Let me go back to affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing in simple terms is a business model where an individual is paid commission for advertising a company's products to buyers, and whenever that person is able to advertise those products and generate traffic, we call it traffic, that is people that are interested in the items, otherwise known as leads. When these people come in and make inquiries about these items and are able to buy from the company is able to reward you based on an agreed amount of money, which is the commission for your business. All of this depends on how the company operates. The name affiliate marketing sounds big, but it is one of those business models I have been able to implement in my life. Let's look at how affiliate marketing operates. There is not much difference between affiliate marketing and drop shipping. Yes, because what you will do is first find the niche you want to work in. What do you want to sell? What are the products you want to advertise? Find that product that you feel you are comfortable to advertise, or you have more knowledge about, so you are able to advertise it out there. When you find the niche, you find the company you want to work with and get registered. Because affiliate marketing is more structured, there are processes you need to undergo before you begin doing it. When you are registered, you are given either a code or you're given a link. Whatever it is, your data is linked to whatever link the company wants to link your data to and is given to you. Now, when you share that link with your buyers, the buyers' information are connected to you. So the company is able to trace all those sales they are able to make courtesy of your link. that is how you will be paid. This might look big for you because I've heard some people say that, oh, I wanted to do this affiliate marketing, but I was told to pay this amount of money to do it. And you're saying this business can be done with zero capital. Now, this is how I've done mine. I did not do or follow the standard way. What I did is I found people that are looking for someone to advertise for them. It is either they want to sell anything from their homes or they have anything they want to sell out. Either it is landed property, they have something to sell. What I did is to agree with them. This is what you pay me. This is the percentage you pay me. You pay me a commission when I'm able to liquidate either the asset for you or sell off these items. And I am usually paid the percentage we have agreed on. Remember, the money does not come into my hand. All I do is to make sure I get the buyer who is able to deal with the owner of the item, and when the deal is done, my commission is given to me. So you see that you can do this even without following that other method. I have shared practical way with you how you can do affiliate marketing with no money. The third business idea I want to share with you is mostly for women. Hello woman, if you're still in your house, calling yourself a housewife, saying that there are no jobs you can do, please wake up from your sleep. Wake up. This third business idea is for you. Please come in here and watch. So the third one I want to talk about is personal shopping. Hey, become a personal shopper in the year 2024 and make money. Please don't let this slide. Who is a personal shopper? A personal shopper is that person that takes up the job of shopping for people and is paid for doing that. You are paid for waking up in your house, going out there, shopping for people. And one secret to succeed in this business is to work with women, especially career women. Women that are so busy with their jobs, so busy with their businesses that they hardly find spare time to go out grocery shopping or doing all those minor shoppings. How do you go about it? Look for the network of these women. Get them around. Tell them you can shop for them. Tell them you can do that market runs for them. And see if they are interested. If they show interest, please go ahead and do it for them. How do you make money doing this? I have seen different methods of how this is done. Some people will write the list of what they need. Then the shopper is able to tell them the cost price or the cost estimate of those items in the market. And when they calculate the amount, they agree on the amount that will be paid them. And that is done. What I've noticed is that sometimes these people add extra money on the prices of the items before giving it to their clients, and the client still pays them for the time used to do this shopping. In my own perspective, I did not say that this is the standard. If you want to excel in any business, you should be truthful, you should be sincere, and you should be trustworthy, especially when it has to do with money. If people are able to be comfortable around you with their money, you will excel far beyond your understanding. Personally, I would love to say, if you want to excel in this business, my own personal recommendation is that you tell your client to give you the list of the items they want. When you are giving the list of the items, when you give the estimated amount and you go to the market and you buy these items and there is extra money, please return the money to your client. For instance, the estimated amount of that item is 5,000. You went to the market and it was 4,500 or 4,000. Please, not the extra money that you were able to get from that item. Keep it aside. Tell your client the exact amount you want to pay. It is better your charge is higher and you are able to return whatever change is to them than you giving them lower price and you hike the money. Let me tell you one thing. There might be days that these people will be free. they will choose to go to the market. When they see that there is a huge gap between how much you always tell them the items are in the market and how much they're able to find the items are in the market, they will stop patronizing you. Please, if you want to excel, my recommendation is run your business as transparent as possible. And I believe that when you do it this way, you will excel far beyond your imagination. I did not say that you must do it my way. If you have a way that you would do it, as I told you before, that every business has a secret. If you have a way that you want to do it and you know it's going to work out well for you, please go ahead and do it that way. I just gave my personal recommendations, and I pray that you're able to implement all these ideas and become a better version of yourself financially. Thank you for watching my video to this end. Till I come your way again next time. Bye.